Hello there, welcome to my channel. I'm Gina and I've got the newest kit from my creative scrapbook. It is the limited edition kit and you know it's my favorite day of the month. So let's take a look and see what is inside. All right, and let's start with our flowers like we always do. Oh, those are different. I like that. We have our 3 packs of flowers. Usually they are all 3 Prima, but look, it looks like we've got a 49 and Market flower pack thrown in. And you know what? I love them. I love that the leaves are little, because especially if you're making a card, sometimes you don't need a great big giant leaf. Just the little touches of green that you can kind of tuck here and there are great. So I love that. So these are very nice. Love the flowers. And ooh, look at this. Look at that stencil. Isn't that pretty? Let's see, can you see the pattern? I don't have that, and I get thrilled when I get products that I don't already have. Which is I mostly don't have them. But every now and then, you know, you get something, you're like, oh, I already got that. But that's okay, because I put it aside and I save it to give out as a giveaway. So there you go. And a packet of ephemera, which I open at the end. And here's our chipboard stickers. Aw, very cute, like little bird. Oh, just the one side. Usually it's two-sided. Okay, very nice. And the papers, which you know is my absolute favorite part. Okay, I think it goes this way. Ooh, so let's see what we've got. Oh, what is this? Hey, I like that. I thought maybe they were stickers at first, but no, they are pre-cut ephemera, I guess. Oh, I love that. I don't think I've gotten something like this in the kit since I've been getting the kit, and I've been getting it for, you know, quite a while. Awesome. Okay, I'm already like really excited. Oh, look, what is this? Oh, it's more. Oh, look. Look. Yay, I have 2 pages of those. Oh, I love them. Look at the butterflies. Oh gosh, I'm so excited. I've seen other videos of the crafter or the video creator making stuff, and they pull out a sheet like this, and I'm always like, gosh, I've never had one, and now I've got one. Actually, I've got 2. So I am so excited. All right, that's pretty. Oh, hold on. Okay, it goes like this. Look at this. So this is from 49 and Market. Modern Romance. Isn't that pretty? Modern Romance. I like this page the best. Let's see. And this one, very nice. For some reason I can't pick it up. Okay. Beautiful moments. Live for the moment. Remember the happy. You guys, these are little extra pieces. I know usually that's the first thing I go and I cut off, and I've got, look, here's the strips from the last month's kit still on my table. Because I save those, because look, they usually have words or something pretty on them, and you know, intrigue, and look, or even just a romantic life. That would just be, you know, just great on a card. And you never know, you can always find, you know, it usually has a pattern on it as well, and that's great if you've seen my video about making the little stamps, the little faux stamps, that, you know, sometimes you just need these tiny little pieces of paper that have something, you know, really pretty on it. So I keep these. So I encourage you to do the same. You're thinking, I already keep enough scraps, I don't need more. But these you really can use. I mean, look, that would be great just to cut out and have and put on a card. Live for the moment. So yeah, love the paper, love the sentiment. Let's see. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, that's pretty. Like it, like it, like it. Wow, really subdued. I like that. Really subdued. I'm kind of into this peachy color now too. Pinky, peachy. I was never really a huge fan, but I kind of have been leaning toward that color the past, I don't know, 6 months maybe. I don't know, it's starting to appeal to me, and which is a good thing because that's really what this collection is all about. That's the predominant color in this collection, so it's a good thing I like it. But isn't that nice? Very nice. Very delicate. I don't know if you see the little lace. Oh, okay, wait, this is a little bolder. And let's see. Okay, these last papers are from Simple Stories. So all these were $49 in Market. Okay, these are all $49 in Market, and they're really thick. These, looks like the rest of these are from Simple Stories, and they're a little bit thinner. I mean, they aren't like, you know, printer paper thin, but they're definitely not as thick as the $49 in Market. So let's see. Simple Vintage Garden District. I think that's the name of this collection. Oh, but look how pretty. All right, we'll see. Pam did a good job. I mean, they kind of go, right? Same kind of coloring. So that works out really well. Nice. Okay. That's pretty too. I like that. Flowers, foliage. I enjoy earthy things, so yeah, I like that. Oh, look. Oh, these are great sentiments too. You usually get a page like this that has sentiments and different types of, I guess, pieces you could use for ephemera if you cut out just little additions to your card or whatever it is that you're going to make. Very nice. Lots to cut out and lots to use. Woo. Hurts my eyes a little bit there, that pattern. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. Oh, wow. This seems a little more pinky. Am I right? Is that more pinky? Where is the other one? Yeah. This is a little more pale, right? But, you know, look how nice that looks. That could still be the background. And look. It still works. Good job, Pam. All right. Oh, that's pretty. Throwing in a little bit of yellow. Look at the butterflies. Ooh, that's nice. Love those. Moth. Very cool. Yep. Okay, and here's one that's more green. I think we got one more after this. Okay. Oops. Ah, some checkered. Kind of getting into summer. That checkered pattern. Oh, here we go, look. Very nice. See, that's almost your whole card right there, look. Live, laugh, love. Dream big. Today's the day. So yeah, see, these are great. Cut those out and let that be your focal point and relays your sentiment. It's perfect. Oh, very nice. Okay. So those are our papers. Again, well done, Pam. Boy, there's a lot of them too. There's a lot of paper. Uh-oh, this one doesn't go there. That's the $49 in Market. Yeah, boy, these are, I didn't count how many there were, but they're, it seems like we got more paper this time than normal. Let's see. We've got the $49 in Market collection. And my 2 cutouts, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm just so excited. Very cool. All right, so we have our papers. Let's see. Oh, before I go through the roll call again and going through everything, we have to go through the ephemera. So let's take a look. I know, there's a picture on the back. Uh-oh. Okay, well that was Bendy letting me know my husband was home. So let's see if I can't take a look real quick. I kicked him upstairs so I could finish my video. So let's take a look at our ephemera. Ooh. All right. Got some nice pieces. I like it. It's a lot of floral. What am I trying to say? The theme, I guess that's what I'm trying to say. The theme is floral and nature, and I really like that in the papers and in the ephemera. Oh, look. I love birds and, of course, butterflies. Oh, what a cutie. Let's see. These are really nice. Very nice pieces. Now, you've heard me complain before about the white trim. Excuse me. This does have white trim around it, but look, barely any. Sometimes the border's really thick, and it's just like, okay, it's just way too much white for me. And I realize it gives a place to edge. You can edge with the ink and still be able to see the whole image. But I don't know. It takes away something for me, and I just don't like it. But I can work with this. There's not very much edging on it, so I think, if it can't be all the way, right up to the image, then I find this acceptable. This isn't so bad. So, all right. Going through this. Really, really pretty. Uh-oh, it'll be tiny. What's it say? Ah, so much love. Very sweet. All right. Well, if you've watched my unboxing videos before, you know I take a lot of pictures at the that are always at the end of my video. You will be able to get a close-up look at the very end, so hang on. But for now, we'll push that to the side and we'll go back through our roll call, and that is going through the papers that were beautiful and our cardboard, our chipboard stickers, which is very nice. And love this stencil. Yeah, that's a new one. I really like that a lot. And pretty, pretty flowers. And of course, our ephemera. So, well done. That's a great way to kind of welcome in the summer, late spring, early summer, cheerful colors, birds, butterflies, flowers, just perfect. All right, well, that's it for the unboxing. Like I said, stay tuned for all of the pictures and get your close-ups. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me that thumbs up, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Us creators really appreciate it. So, yeah, push all your buttons. All right, guys, that's it for this one. You all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.